H50 zipper door installation steps. Measure the floor level of the doorway before installation. Keep both sides at the same height. Check whether the accessories are complete, including control box, motor, photoelectricity, fixing plate, and accessories. First, use the connecting piece to connect the track and the door head. Align the holes of the track and the door head. Fix it with nuts. Pay special attention to the track and the door head should be on the same horizontal line to facilitate the installation of the cover plate later. Install the other side in the same way. Next, assemble the motor. Attach the motor bracket to the motor. Tighten it with screws. Attach the shock-absorbing pads. Align the pin holes. Attach the motor. Secure the motor with a nut. Once the motor is secured, you can start threading the wires. Thread the wires through the holes. Then pull the wires along the groove of the rail. Fix the wires neatly. Screw the angle iron to the door header. Erect the door body. Fix the top of the door. Note that the screws should be pre-fixed in the center. Adjust the width of the track. Level the door with a spirit level. Keep the door and the wall perpendicular. During the adjustment process, observe whether the curtain runs smoothly up and down. If the curtain is too tight or too wrinkled, you can adjust the position of the track. Adjust the width of the curtain. After adjustment, make sure that the curtain is not too tight or wrinkled. Then fix the track to the wall firmly.